Thank y'all so much for tuning back into my channel. Listen, I want to do this video because somebody told me that I needed to get a hairstylist, in which I'm not going to do. And I need to cut my hair. Why would I cut my crown? My crown is my glory, and it's part of my story. So listen, I come to set the captives free, okay? Listen, I'm going to tell y'all the truth about y'all weave y'all be wearing, y'all temple hair, okay? Because why? I teach deliverance and I teach identity restoration, right? And so being returned to the image of God, the image that he created you in, not this world, not vanity, okay? Listen, let me tell y'all, sis, before you lay another bundle, okay, on your head, you need to know the truth. Now, let me tell you this. Did you know that much of human hair, it is used in weaves, okay? These human hair, listen, they're sacrificed to other gods, okay? Now, I'm going to tell y'all, I went out with a guy. He was an Indian guy. And I asked him, what God does he worship? Did he worship the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob? He said no. They have many lords and they have many gods in their religion, the Hindu religion. See, listen, I'm not really a religious person. God said worship him in spirit and in truth, okay? He said, if you continue ye in my word, truly you are my disciples. So I study the word because it's the word that's going to set you free, right? God sent his word to heal you and to deliver you from your destructions. But before you lay another bundle on your head, you need to know the truth. So listen, I told the guy, I said, don't the hair that y'all cut off of y'all head, y'all sacrifice it to the Hindu gods, and then y'all sell it back to black people, okay, in Africa, in America, okay, we are making their culture rich, okay, because of our ignorance. The Bible said fools hate knowledge. Do you understand me? And because your biggest problem as an African-American woman is your hair, you don't think your hair is beautiful. I have white women say I am beautiful. White men tell me how beautiful my hair is. And your hair is so, listen, people, these other cultures, truth be told, they love our hair. They wish they had hair like us. Do you understand me? And everybody loved the black woman because they know who she is. Okay, listen. Everybody else love us but us. Everybody else love your hair but you. That is part of the brainwashing. Okay, let me tell you. You got some women that are waking up. They're taking their wigs out of their head. They're going natural. Okay, and they're coming out of the matrix. All right. So listen. I'm here to wake you up and tell you the truth. I ain't your friend that's going to sugarcoat you. I ain't going to sugarcoat nothing to you. And I wouldn't want you to do it with me because I keep it real. I keep it 100. Okay. And this video is keeping it a whole buck right now. All right. Now, the black men, they not going to tell you. Black men don't really care for weave. They not going to tell you that, though. They not going to tell you that they don't like your hair. I'm keeping it real with you. OK, black women, men, they don't like weave. I'm telling you the truth. OK, even though they'll lay down with you, they sure will. They'll sleep with you. They don't really care about your hair. They don't like it. They ain't going to tell you the truth, though. But I'm going to tell you, but they'll still get some. Listen, they'll still sleep with you. Now, let me tell you something. Did you know that much of human hair, okay, it's used in weaves and extensions, and it's sacrificed, y'all, to temples, to Hindu gods. You can go on YouTube. You can research this stuff. You can read it in the books, okay? I had an Indian guy. He told me, yes, they sacrifice the hair and sell it back to us, and we making their culture rich. And he told me how smart I was. Because I'm not stupid and I'm not a fool. So listen to this. Let me tell you something. Okay? You can see it. They go into these Indian temples. Okay? They have rituals with their hair being shaved. Okay? And they sacrifice it to their God. This ain't about no fashion. You wearing it thinking you fashionable. No, this is everything spiritual. This got something to do with your identity. And you may be carrying someone else's offering to an idol right on your head. And you don't even know it. So listen, their hair is offered, y'all, as worship to to deities like, okay, Shiva. Okay, Shiva. Go do your research. Or Kali. Or Vishnu. Vishnu. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Or Kali. Listen, anyway, it's sold, okay, in $1 billion global industry. You want to become a billionaire, just sell weave. Because every black woman wears it. Listen. And it's worn unknowingly by black women around the world. Around the world. Okay. So then, listen to this. So then you got places, right? You got places like, it's called, well, in India, they say temples, right? So in India. So the women and the men, they shave their heads, which is an act of devotion, okay? The hair is gathered, is sorted, and is sold in massive auctions worth millions, okay? And that temple hair, let me tell y'all, it ends up in weaves, wigs, lace fronts, okay? Sold around the world. And you may have worn it. Listen, but guess what? You didn't know what it was tied to. You didn't know. So let me be clear. This is not about culture shaming, but this is about exposing spiritual deception. Deuteronomy, as I stated, 7:25-26, it says, do not bring a detestable thing into your house, or you, like it, will be set apart for destruction. Listen, if God says not to bring cursed items into your home, okay, how much more on your body? And so you could be wearing a curse. So you're wondering, sometimes people are walking around y'all with spiritual heaviness. They wonder why they feel it, why there's confusion, why there's rejection, why there's stagnation. Sometimes the answer is closer than you think. It's on your head. But here's the good news. When truth is revealed, freedom follow. So I come on here and I talk about the hard stuff. I talk about this stuff that other people don't want to talk about. This is why God is using me to set the captives free for healing and deliverance, okay? Because see, you got to get delivered from identity crisis. Your identity has to be restored. You need to be healed from self-hate. Your image has to be restored to the image of the Creator that He created you in. Okay? And so listen to this. I'm going to start talking about this because this series is going to be about exposing the lies, breaking curses. I teach you how to break curses through my story. Okay, pull down strongholds and break free from generational curses and addiction. All of this stuff. I talk about this stuff through my story. Okay. And so I am a healer, and you got to be learn how. Listen, you got to be healed from self-hate. Self-hate. Okay. You got to walk in the image of the Creator. And so let me tell you, this is about exposing the lies so that you could be restored your crown to glory. Okay. So listen, I'm going to dive deeper. I'm going to get into how spells and curses and spiritual contracts are attached to your hair. Okay. And how to break them. So listen. If you're interested, if this is something you want to hear, then hit the subscribe button, share this truth with other sisters, and let's get free. Let's really get free together. You don't need temple hair to be beautiful. No, you do not. Now, when God created you, baby, by design, He said you was fearfully made, you was wonderfully made, and your soul should know it right well. Okay? So guess what? You need the truth, because it's going to be the truth that make you free. So I'm going to come on here and I'm going to talk about the stuff that other people don't want to tell you about. And I'm going to break this down. I really start studying this thing because I too wanted to know. I said, why do black women go buy somebody else's hair and put it on their head? What sense does that make? That don't make sense to me. But because fools hate knowledge, we do this stuff and we don't know that it has a deeper meaning as to what you putting on your head. You need to know the truth, but you need to break free. You need to heal from self-hate. Okay, it's a form of self-hate to go buy somebody else's hair and put it on your head when you already got hair. It don't make no sense and you're wasting money. That's what you're doing. But if you got money to throw away, go ahead. It's your money anyway, not mine. Okay, I'm just here to tell you the truth. That's it. And I'm doing it in love. I love you. The Bible says speak the truth in love. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. Okay, people that don't love you, they lie to you. Okay, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna tell you the truth because I'm real and that's who I am. And I walk in this thing. Okay, I had to walk it out in my own life. I had to be real with my own self in seasons where I didn't want to be real. Okay, I had to be real with my own self. And I didn't have people tell me some stuff that I didn't want to hear. But how do you think I became the woman I am today? How do you think I became so great? Okay, I had to be told the truth even when I was living a lie. Okay, so listen, I love y'all. I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back because I want to talk about this. I am going to talk about it. I got so much other stuff to talk about too. Okay, so listen, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe because I'm going to get into this because some women need to be really set free from wearing all this weave in their hair and wasting money. Wasting money. That's what y'all doing. You're wasting your time and you're wasting your money putting that crap on your head that's sacrificed to a Hindu god. Okay, now I'm gonna be the one to tell you the truth so you can get delivered and set free. So listen here, y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna be back. I got more messages to share with y'all. Okay, listen, stay tuned.